Many a times we know the kind of life that we want for ourselves, or at least we have an idea. We all want to be happy, make the most out of our life, love and be loved, and to always have that sense of fulfillment. Of course, we also know that having this dream life, as most of us have termed it, doesn't really come in one day. Or well, maybe it does. The point is, most of us know the little things we need to do that will gradually take us to this life we desire. But we sometimes neglect to do them for whatever reasons. In a fast-paced world, how do we learn to pause and be intentional about the life that we want for ourselves? How do we make sure that we are not too busy being caught up in life's affairs so much that we fail to pay attention to what matters? Lately, I put up a sticky note right next to my reading table that says, always pay attention to what matters the most. Because really, the little things that bring that sense of fulfillment and that are truly important for our journey of life are the last things we want to ignore, right? Most times we get too busy up and about so many things that we often fail to pause when necessary and just pay attention to what matters the most to us. Because productivity, like we always say, is really not about doing so much, but doing the right things. You may be taking the time to pray and seek direction, taking time to journal, exercise, or even investing a little time to see that you become a better version of yourself. It all starts with being intentional, not just passing time with whatever, but seeing to it that each day you are at the very least making progress as regards that desired future. Be intentional with the information you consume as much as the food you consume. Be intentional about the people you choose to surround yourself with, so you give no room for toxic relationships. And most importantly, be intentional about how you spend your time. Because let's be honest, at the end of the day, a life well lived is time well spent. Or not.